Good morning, all investor. I wanted to have a face-to-face conversation about a very important topic is the mental strength you need to succeed in the stock market. If you want to win in the stock market, you need to master one thing, your mental strength. Most people lose money not because they don't understand stock, but because they cannot control their emotion. They panic when the stock drops, they FOMO when it goes up, and at the end, they make all the wrong decisions at the worst time. But what if I told you there is a way to fix this? Today I will share with you the exact mindset and psychological tool you need to survive, to thrive in the market. Let's get into it. The stock market is a game of patience and probability, not emotion and prediction. First, you need to accept the market will go up, the market will go down. Nobody, not even the so-called experts, can predict the future with certainty. So instead of trying to guess what will happen next, focus on what you can control, your mindset and your strategy. Most investors fail not because they choose the wrong stock. Most of the time they even select the right stock, but because they cannot handle the emotional panic and the emotional pressure. One thing, fear and panic selling. When the market crashes right now, your brain screams, sell, get out, because you've been a loser, you are making a big mistake. It can go even lower and lower and lower. But actually, this is the best moment ever to buy and to build your wealth. When smart investors buy and not sell. This is exactly what I've done and why I've been successful at investing in the stock market. I'm buying when everybody's selling. And I'm buying exactly right now as well. When people are panicking and selling, I'm buying. I just tell you, I'm buying. FOMO and greed. When stock market skyrockets, you feel like you are missing out. Like in 2024, the end of the year. Everybody jump into the stocks. And just the whole time high, they just jump and jump and jump. I can name you many stocks like Palantir, Nvidia, and so on and so on and so on. Because they feel like they are missing out. They want to jump in right before the stock are going to crash. Why? Right before the stock market is going to crash. And this is exactly what happened in 2025. The market crashed by 10, 15, 20% depending on your market and index you're following. And some of the individual stocks like Tesla minus 50%. Or SoFi. Or Palantir, or name them all if you want, or even Nvidia, the biggest star of 24, 23. Overconfidence and short-term thinking. You make a quick gain, you think you're a genius because you know everything, because you've made money. Then after that, you start being reckless bet and you lose everything. If you recognize those traps, fear and panic selling, FOMO and greed, and overconfidence, then you have actually mastered the first step. Let's talk about how to fix them. If you want to win the stock market, you need to train your mind like an elite athlete. Here is how. 1. Have a long-term vision. Short-term noise doesn't matter if you focus on the bigger picture. You have to zoom out, not to focus on the short-term next 10-day chart. Or you have to look at history, the last 10 years, the last 5 years, what happened in the same situation. The market always rewards patience. The biggest gain come to those who hold through volatility. And now we are going through volatility. If you hold on, you will be rewarded because those who have sold, they have actually crystallized the unrealized loss. They are losing. If you hold through the volatility, you're going to get out from this volatility period and you're going to be a winner. You have to set clear rules. Remove emotion by having a predefined strategy. Decide in advance when you want to buy, sell, or you want to stick to it. You have to use stop loss, DCA, and diversification in order to go through market volatility and to reduce your impulsive mistake. You have to control your information diet. I mean, if you go to CNBC, CNN, or you go to every YouTubers online, you click on the clickbait headline, then you will start to panic. You get a lot of fear because they are playing with your fear and greed. They are playing, so don't fall for it. Avoid checking your portfolio every day. It is like stepping on a scale every hour because you do a diet. It's useless and very stressful. Follow fact, not opinion. Study historical data, not clickbait headline. Do your homework. You have to train emotional discipline. The best investors don't react. They stay calm, rational, and detached. Do some meditation, journaling your trade, reviewing your past mistake can help you become a self-aware investor. Ask yourself, am I making the decision based on fear or logic? If it is fear, step back. Don't do anything. The stock market is not just about numbers. It's about mastering your own mind. If you can control your emotion, you can control your financial future. Most people fail because they are not prepared psychologically, but now you know what it takes to be a winner in the stock market. So now tell me, now you know the secret. Are you ready to become a real investor? Drop me a comment below and let's talk about it. Like and subscribe if you found this valuable, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.